talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, would you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little baby, tonight.
Does he want water, right?
Surely you want drink, drink.
Oh, your branches aren't dry for me.
Don't be glad, don't know why.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no freedom
Here you go.
And now it's suppertime.
Audrey, are you all right? Yes. No. Audrey, don't die. Please don't die. I need you.
Seymour, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Orrin and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to her.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous.
Done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water